Hi hippies, welcome back. It's Courtney Shavante if you are new here, and today I am just mixing up some silicone here so that way I can pour some molds for you guys because you have been putting some orders in for me. So if you haven't seen the video that I posted previous to this, then you probably don't know, but I have went ahead and closed down my Etsy shop and opened up my Shopify, and I'm super excited about the website being back open, and I really want to get on here and talk to you guys about challenging your limiting beliefs. Now, what I didn't talk about in that video was how this go around when I got my website up, I went ahead and paid for the full year subscription. So I went ahead and paid for all 12 months in advance, and I was so afraid to. I was afraid because previously in the past I have opened shops, but I didn't have enough traffic for them to remain open and for it to be profitable for me. So I was afraid of putting myself into a similar situation, even though I have grown exponentially since then. Now, what really pushed me out of my comfort zone and forced me into action was when I filed my taxes. So, when I filed my taxes, I was able to see how much I made from Etsy, and I was also able to see how much they charged me in like different fees and stuff. And guys, no lie, the fees were over 25% of what I made through Etsy. Over 25 of what I grossed through Etsy was towards fees, and I just found that to be absolutely absurd. It was in that moment that I realized I can afford my Shopify storefront. If I can sit here and give Etsy 25% of what I gross, it's like I can definitely afford this little reoccurring monthly fee. But then I stopped and thought about it. I was like, you know what, I can do even better because I'm someone who's talking about I want these offices and employees and whatnot. How can I maintain that if I can't maintain like a little subscription? So what I did was I went ahead and paid the whole 12 months up front because I believe that strongly in myself, and I am so committed to breaking my limiting beliefs. And I just really want to share that with you guys because it's just like a personal success for me. Thanks for listening.